task of managing a healthy social life along with a successful academic career can be very overwhelming for many college students. Fortunately, Rider University's program of Film and Media Studies is helping their students excel both academically and socially. Rider's FMS Mentorship program helps new students gather the skills necessary to succeed within the academic field.
When you have somebody who has been through the coursework, somebody who's been around the university for a year or two longer than you have, I think it helps to smooth the way. I think students who are working with mentors who are a little bit more experienced feel a lot more comfortable when they come into film classes. They kind of have an idea of the kind of work that is being expected of them.
This program also creates a social connection between mentors and mentees through their common interests in film.
Well, I think it first starts off internal, so it helps them acclimate to the program better and get to know people within the program, such as myself and my co-president Rose, get to know faculty, and then once you get to know, the kind of leaders within the program, you get to come to events and groups and everything.
FMS students can connect with each other at meetings for Alternative Film Club as they introduce themselves to film analysis through a social setting. The FMS department also holds events like Rider's annual film symposium to give students the opportunity to critically discuss key themes of their favorite movies.
The symposium is really, involves students presenting their work with other students on paper panels, on round tables. We also have students submitting screenplays and films that they've made. That kind of outside of the classroom participation in a film culture is a really important part of film education.
For more information about the FMS Student Mentorship Program, please email Dr. Cynthia Lucia at clucia@rider.edu.